bolts missing. Well, we ran it in with an impact. This is a stock one. Pulled some threads, so I put a longer bolt in. I'm going to, I think the bolt is so long that it's actually sticking in the turbine housing. I don't know how much of a difference it's going to make for the flow, but I'd imagine it's got to affect it. So I'm going to pull that bolt, test fit it in that one to get it the right length, and go from there. Gonna get the easy up going. One thing I always like to do when working on my Chevy, which is nice about the classic body style Chevys, is that this grill, for easy, you don't break the clips. Ooh, there she goes. One more. Oh, there she goes. Take this whole grill out. And you can kneel on that. Definitely need to invest in some Whirly custom piping. As you can see, we got that Cobb Job custom paint job. It's dusty. So I think instead of pulling the bolt, I'm just going to pull this pipe, center cooler boot, peek in the turbo and see if it is really causing interference, and save myself some time and some busted knuckles. So I think that's 11. So we're going to start. I'm going to just loosen this puppy up. We'll be able to take a peek in there. See if we got to take this bolt out, cut it down. Yeah, I guess it's not sticking in as far as I thought. So it ain't so bad. Well, as you can see, we are changing up the exhaust again. I always forget to include you guys. I'm already like 20 steps into this. We're ready to weld it. Don't mind how ugly it is. I'm gonna go get some heat. Oh my God, this garage is a mess. We're home. Been home for a minute. This has had to happen for a long time, folks. About to tear into this. I'll be honest, it's been a long winter, and a lot of this looks like junk, and that's because it is. So, here we going at about 20 minutes. Driveway's filling up. Garbage. We got a lot to do still. I have enough room to wheel around in my wheelchair I found by the dumpster down at the local grocery store. The driveway cleaned up, some scrap, it's gotta go back, out the garbage can. Oh, there's junk I gotta get rid of. Made some progress in here. You can see the floor, got the kids' bikes all lined up. Tidied that up. That's a job for another day. This is the best Easter ever. Look what they got me. Just kidding, but we do get to go rip it. It's got some wheels and tires on it. I got a lift kit going in. Tom's talking about doing some kind of turbo kit. Full heated cab, power windows, Oof. Limited, baby. Oh, this thing is luxurious. Get her all tinted out. This thing is sweet. Got LED light bars. Take it. Cutouts for speakers. It'd be nice if it had a sweet friggin' radio. Check out this hottie.
You got one? Probably should.
So bad. We're coming up to a huge hill climb. It's going to be really scary, and I don't know if we're going to make it. I'm going to go for it in two-wheel drive. We got the differential locked in. Got a real long wheelbase on this thing, you know. So here we go. Oh yeah. We're climbing. Oh, not a problem for the Can-Am Defender. I'm so impressed with this thing. Heat. Look at that.
Probably a swamp down here.
I really want to get these wheels dirty. What do you think, babe?
Go for it.
500 likes and I'll blow it through the mud.